Doing payroll in Xero Australia is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to your Xero account and go to the payroll menu. If you haven't already set up payroll, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the prompts to set up your payroll, including entering your business details, tax information, and employee details. Once payroll is set up, add your employees to Xero. Enter their personal information, including their full name, address, TFN, superannuation details, employment details, and pay rate. Create pay templates for different types of employees, such as full-time, part-time, and casual. Pay templates include details about pay rates, allowances, deductions, and superannuation contributions. To process pay runs, go to the payroll menu and select pay runs. Click on Create to start a new pay run. Select the employees you want to pay and enter their hours worked, leave taken, and any other relevant information. Review the pay run summary to ensure accuracy, then click Finalize to complete the pay run. After finalizing the pay run, you can pay your employees through Xero using direct deposit. Alternatively, you can print paychecks if needed. Xero will generate payslips for each employee, which you can email or print for distribution. Xero makes it easy to manage superannuation contributions for your employees. Ensure that superannuation payments are made on time and comply with Australian SuperStream requirements. Xero provides various payroll reports that you can generate to track your payroll expenses, tax obligations, and employee earnings over time. Run reports such as payroll summary, payroll activity, employee details, and superannuation to keep track of your payroll information. Xero can generate payee withholding reports to help you prepare and lodge your payee withholding obligations with the Australian Taxation Office. Keep up to date with changes to Australian payroll legislation and ensure that your payroll practices comply with relevant laws and regulations.